A chord is just playing multiple notes at the same time. We do this by playing multiple strings at once. The combination of multiple notes makes a nice, full sound that's typically used as a background music or rhythm guitar in a song. Songs are typically made by putting a bunch of single notes together as what you'd recognize as the main melody, which is usually sung or played as a guitar riff, and other instruments playing chords makes up the background of the song. If you listen to someone singing with a guitar in their hands, typically they're playing chords on their guitar and singing single notes at a time to make up the melody. If you can remember from last section, in music we name the different notes the different letters of the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Certain combinations of notes sound good together, and some don't. By combining the notes that sound good together, we create chords. Chords also get named in a very similar way, from a letter from A to G. Naming chords is a little different though, because we've got some variations. There are three main types of chords you'll come across. There are actually dozens of different types, but most of the time we only use the first two types, and sometimes we see the third. These main types are major chords, minor chords, and seventh chords. All you really need to know is major chords sound happy, minor chords sound sad, and seventh chords sound like something's a little off. This is all you really need to know to be able to correctly identify most chords. Staying true to our goal of playing your favorite songs quickly, we won't go into depth on why they sound this way because it won't help you play better and it will slow your progress down. But if you're interested in the theory behind these chords, feel free to look at it more on your own. It's really interesting stuff if that's the kind of thing you'd enjoy. I'd also recommend learning a bit more of the theory if you're interested in songwriting. A little theory knowledge will help you out a lot.